my old dehumidifier broke and the humidity in the basement climbed up to about 70%. So I've got this new one here, and it's doing a great job. I put it down in the basement about 2 days ago. The humidity has been dropping steady. Right now I've moved it up a little bit. I had it down into the 40s, and that's a little too low. Now I have it set back up at 50, and as you can see now, it's currently holding at 54, which is good. That's well in the safe zone. It has this little flap here that if you want to redirect the air, it will go up and down. You can direct the air through the room if you want to. In my basement, I just leave it straight up. I use the drain hose so I don't have to empty out the bucket every day. It drains steadily into my sump pump, and it sits here and pretty quiet, does its job. I can't complain. So if you have the same problem I have with dampness, this thing will do the trick. Good luck to you.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I remember you. If you remember